Good morning, Year 8. So today we're going to do my maths lesson. What I want to do today is just to check that your times tables are up to scratch, because tomorrow we're going to be continuing with our algebra, but times tables are so important to do algebra with. So that's what we're going to do today. What you're going to do when you log on to your My Maths is you're going to see a homework set for you called Mixed Tables 2 to 12, and you're going to do the online homework. Okay, so if you click on the online homework, I don't have a login for it, but this will be what you see. So you see question 1, and it's got all these times tables questions, and you've got question 2, which is a beat the clock question. And you've got 2 minutes to try and get at least 15 questions right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to play it. Give me a little bit of fun as well. So you press play, and look, your time starts going down here. So if I do 16 divided by 4, that gives me 4, and you have to press mark it, and it tells you if it's right or not. 8 times 5, 40, done. 55 divided by 11, 5, mark it. Try and do this as quickly as you can. 11 times 8, 88. 9 times 3, 27, and so on. So I'm going to carry on and see how many I get right in the 2 minutes, and you can see if you think you can beat me or not, okay? Or get close to what I'm going to do. 11 times 6, 66. You'll probably be able to go a lot faster than me. Oh, 11 times 12. So 10 times 11 is 110. Add 22, 132. I hope that's right. Oh, yes. 54 divided by 6 is 9, because 9 times 6 is 54. Sometimes you might be asked to do the other way round, so divide. 2 times 11, 22. How many 10s go into 40? 4 of them do. 5 times 10, 50. 10 times 8, all these are easy ones, aren't they? There we go. 6 times 2, 12. 5 times 7, 35. 3 times 11, 33. Oh, I've only got about 25 seconds left. 81. 5 times 11. I swear we've had that one. 55. 9 divided by 9. So that means how many 9s go into 9? Well, only 1 fits in. 8 divided by 2. So half of 8 is 4. Oh, 5 seconds. Let's see if I can get another one. Or maybe another 2. No. Okay, so I got 24 in the 2 minutes. Let's see if you can get close to 24 when you do yours, okay? And so when you go onto your My Maths, you'll see this, and you'll do both of these questions, and it'll say mark it, and I've scored 10 out of 10 for that because I got over 15 right. What you do once you've done that, so say I did this, pretend I did this and I marked it, this will pop up, won't it? And you need to press see your summary. Okay, now obviously I didn't get anything in the first question because I didn't do anything, but then I got 100% in the second one because I got 15 right. So once you've seen all this, that means your homework has been marked, and that means I can see what score you got. What you've got to do after that is you've got to press finish and close, and that's saved now, okay? So I look forward to seeing if you can get 10 out of 10, or you can let me know how many you got right in the 2 minutes and see if you can beat me. And I hope you have a lovely day, Year 8. Okay, off you go.
They're going to be gassed to try and beat you.
I know.
That's such a good